Make sure you're on the grayscale layer, and you're going to take and draw your first shape. And as you note, I'm making a lot of artistic decisions about what's going to be the darkest part of her hair. So I'm just kind of floating around, carefully tracing, maintaining her part, coming back to the beginning, boom. And we know that this is going to be my fill for that. So I can take the eyedropper tool and do eyedropper. Now note what happened. It is reading the last pattern filled. So it gave me the dark gray, but what it didn't give me was the grayscale jive. So I have to manually go in there and get the grayscale jive over top of my dark gray. Okay. Now, some of you may be wondering, why did we bother to do this grayscale if I can't just use an eyedropper and drop the color in? Well, we did it because we had to establish the range from dark to light. And so it required that we would create that scale, and then we would know, oh, I've got to deal with these issues of doubling down on the fill. So I'm going around this, going behind it, and reconnecting at the top. I'm now going to take my eyedropper, fill it with the second or the 70%. Again, I have to go and give it the second fill, add the grayscale jive to it, and I'm going to send it to back. Arrange, send to back. Okay, and you can see that if we go to our layers panel, I could turn off the picture. You can see that here I left a hole, so I can go back in here and with my direct select tool, pick up the points, pick up the points and move them over so we don't have that white hole. We don't want that white hole. The other thing you'll notice if you zoom in is that there is a black line around the patterning, and I don't want that black line. I want the grayscale itself to make the difference. So I'm going to get my move tool, select the items, take a look at my control panel, get rid of the black outline so that we are simply seeing a mesh or a meld from one pattern to the other. And again, zoom out so that I can do my work, turn on the picture,